back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, we're back out of the farm working on this J31 Nissan Maxima. We're going to be swapping out the coil pack. Now, before we get started, if you need it, click on the title of the video, description pops down, order it, get it in your hand, then come back to this video. I'll show you how to put it on, save yourself some money, guys. All right, let's jump into it. So, the front ones, naturally, you can see it's quite an easy job. Because obviously just pop plug off, be gentle on the plug, 10mm, pop the coil pack out, and chuck your new one in, and you're good to go. Now, in order to get to the back ones, you have to go through this intake manifold. Now, I'm not going to do it today because realistically, guys, I'm out in the farm. Dust's going to get inside the motor. It's just not something I can do, but I have done it before, so I know every single step. So I figured if I tell you every single step, you guys can act it out, and boom, you're good to go. Right, so if you have a look here, this coil pack attaches to this. All these vacuum hoses all attached to the intake manifold. So all you got to do is you got to undo this 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. This pops up. See this intake tube? Undo, it's a 10mm. This whole tube can come off. See this? Ready? Pop it up in the air, and this whole thing will come that way, and then you'll see that the coil packs are literally just chilling the exact same way, but underneath. Give me the camera here. So you can actually see one just chilling in there, and as you can see, if you remove that, which is, as I said, just those little 12 mils, this whole thing pops up, pop it out of the way, replace your coil packs. Now, little side note, you will need a new intake manifold gasket. So pre-order the gasket when you pre-order the coil pack, and that way you can just swap it out and you'll be good to go. Alrighty guys, so you've got your new coil pack in your hand, you've got your intake manifold off. If you're doing that side, which is unlucky, you can grab your 10mm. Okay, so either one, you're on either side, guys. If you're under this one, it'll look exactly the same as this. You just grab your 10mm, pop that like so. You want to undo the bolt before you pull the plug. These are extremely brittle. If you break this plug, pulling this coil pack out, you'll be up for another massive expense. Pop it out like so, just turning it to the right, twisting it around like so, and then you can just press down on that plug and pop it out like that. At this point, guys, naturally, as you can expect, grab your new one, pop it in like so, bring your plug around, just do a little bit of a loop, plug it in nice and firm. Should hear an audible click, and then you just push your coil pack down, throw your bolt in like so. Tightening it up, not too tight. You don't want to tighten it so much it cracks the coil pack. As soon as you crack an insulated coil pack, you will start to have closed or open loop circuit problems. You can see that nice and tight, just sitting there. You can route your plug back in, and then you can now go ahead and test out your car. Alrighty guys, everything's all sorted. It's been a nice and quick video today. It's just as you can imagine, guys, these coil packs are quite simple things. It's just that intake manifold that does have to come off, and my job here today is just to tell you that it is nice and easy just with those 4 14mm bolts. Bring the whole thing forward, swap it out, and you're good to go. Alrighty guys, don't forget, if you can, give the video a thumbs up, sub to the channel. My name's Lucas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.